Welcome back to today's detailing adventure, guys. Today we're live on site. We're live on site and we're doing this Ford, or this 2022 Ford Explorer. So we're gonna go into the after shots, or the before shots, guys. We're gonna do the before shots. Let me know what you think about it in the comments and just watch how this thing transforms. Alright guys, I want to show y'all. Maybe it's kind of a trick, maybe it's not, but this is how we do it around here. So I'll show y'all. First things first, you know, we have our ammo frothe inside our IK foamer. So first off, and you see the bugs. First thing is we're going to emphasize the bugs and getting rid of them. So let's just go ahead. More. And I'll say, you really want it to be more foamy than liquidy, and it was raining before, and this client did have the car outside while it was wet. So if you see it dripping, it's because of that, not because of the dilution being wrong. We like to spray our IK foamer into our bug sponge so we get extra lubrication. So now we're just gonna go in and just attack wherever we think bugs would be. You know, with this thing, it just takes them off like butter. As y'all see from here, it's all soaked. Bugs have been removed. again, this is just step one. We're just getting the majority away. Second thing is we go in with our Ammo Hydration Paint Moisturizer. This is essential when rinseless washing because it helps prevent any sort of agitation where it leads to scratches. Now we're just going to proceed as it goes. Again, you get your wipe one, your dry one. We'll start from the top. Scoop motions. It's a little difficult when you're in the grill. Oh yeah, see, we picked up some extra buggy. Now we're gonna use this side. Okay. Now we'll just go in with our dry towel quickly. And this should pick up the rest of any leftover residue. Any MO little frothies that you see there, I do try to get the majority of it, but I will say naturally it does evaporate. But as you can see, the bugs were removed, it's looking clean, and there might be a slight film. That's also part of the MO hydration. It leaves a slight film, which also is like a bit of protection, but you definitely wouldn't consider it a wax. Definitely more of a lubricant, but it does have slightly protective properties at the end of it. Alright guys, we're about to show you how we dilute our frothy exactly, so y'all know and y'all can implement it for your own. So first, you open your IK foamer. Usually for frothy, say you want to use the whole container, it would be 40 to 2 ounces of MO frothy. And 2 ounces, usually Larry likes to say that the cap full on his bottles are 3 of those is 1 ounce. But with this nifty contraption that you can find on Detailed Image, check the link below guys, link description, I'll give you 10% off. With this, you fill up your chemical in here, you give this a good squeeze in. Okay guys, I just found a fatal flaw on my side. So, never tighten it too much pressure is not going to allow it to come up. I loosened it up and then I squeezed and it started to come out really well. But as you can see, we're at 1 ounce exactly. Ounces of water, so this is 1 ounce exactly. And there you go, 1 ounce exactly. Close that up right there, and right here, see, we're over here. Since this is 35, 0.5, this is probably going to be around 20. So we'll measure it up like here, and just kind of fill it up from there. 5, I'll probably just add a little half more, then it'll equal it. So just so y'all know, that's how we do it around here.